Hello guys, Martin Unix here, and today I'm going to bring you another educative episode. Today I'm going to show you on how to attach temporary dreadlocks on long hair without interfering with its texture and the length. So welcome guys, this is my temporary locks. So guys, we are going to cut to a 9-inch length our temporary locks and comb one of the side so that we can attach the locks that way guys. Just going to comb one side. I'm gonna show you on how to go about it. So guys, we are going to kick off by sectioning the hair that is parting, and this is the way to go about it. I've already done the lower part. Now I'm going to section the rest. Remember guys, you don't have to blow dry the hair because we need the hair to be kind of frizzy. That is, we need our hair to have volume. That way guys. So now after sectioning the hair, I'm going to do a 3-turn interlocking method, which is the easy way. When you are undoing the locks, the hair will not have tangled a lot. So that way we can avoid breakages. We are not going to do a lot of stuff like back combing or doing so and so on our client's hair, because we want to minimize damages as much as possible. So now after sectioning like this guys at the base, I'm just going to interlock the hair. If you are a learner guys, you can use crochet just like this to interlock. That way guys, that way. 3-point turn, that way. Okay, center, center, left, center, right. That's our 3-point turn guys. That way. You will find it easy to undo this style guys, just by combing the hair. So up to that point. Now the left part, I'm going to try as much as possible and disguise it in the strand, the extension strand. That is just to do away with the blackishness of the hair. I'm going to pull it inside the lock strand. So now guys, I'm not gonna use the crochet needle. I'm just going to use my free hand just to do it, and this is how to go about it, just for the matter of improving speed. That way guys, you section like that, then you just lock. That way guys. Just to observe speed guys, I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to use my fingers. And that way guys, I'm going to start from the front. That way. Remember guys, this is a nice and easy way for beginners. It's kind of beginner's tutorial on how to attach the fake locks, in other words temporary dreadlocks, on long and lengthy hair in a way that you don't interfere with the length of the hair dangerously. And the comeback, that is after undoing the temporary locks, we would like to be much safe with the length of the hair strands in a way that we need to avoid breakages as much as possible. So that way, guys, we need to stay loose. Hey guys, welcome. I've already done the interlocking, that is the thumb interlocking, as you have seen, and I've done some few strands at the nape area just to show you how it's supposed to be attached. You can see now from far you can note some blackish inside this strand here. That's where the final tip of the hair length has been pulled in between the strand, that is in between the fake lock. And I'm going to show you how to go about it, guys. We have promised to be loose on the hair because we need our hair back after some time, so we are going to take all necessary measures to govern that. So this is the way to go about it, guys. So I'm going to use crochet needle, guys, to attach this fake lock here, and this is the way to go about it, guys. You start at the length where the interlocking process started. That way, guys, you just insert your crochet needle, that is crochet hook. Remember to separate this part into two, guys, like this. Then pick one section just like that, guys. Pull it in between the lock strand. That way, guys. Then we are going to tuck it in using our crochet hook like that along the length of the lock strand towards the base, like that, guys, to a certain length, the length that we want, to that far end. Then I will go back like this, guys. I'm gonna go back, fully in the strand so that we can manage the remaining length, like that, guys. Just that way. Remember, guys, this is my way of doing it. You can as well improvise your own way if you are creative enough. Then upon reaching this part, guys, the remaining tip, we are going to wrap it around just like that. Simple. Like that, guys. Then I will pick the remaining section, that is this one. I will also start by wrapping it around like this. That way, guys, just along the lock strand towards the base, like that. I've only reached in this part. I will use my crochet to tuck in the tip so that we can secure the tip firmly in a way that it can't detangle. That way, guys. That's the way to go about it. Then we pick it backwards like that. That way, guys. Remember, guys, I will be using the crochet strands, the fake lock strands, that is, to secure the fake lock, other than using the natural hair, because we want to be very careful with our hair. Now, upon reaching that part, guys, you will realize that we have been left out with this extension here, that is our natural hair. Then I'm gonna use my crochet hook to pull it in between the lock strands. Just wait a little bit. You insert the hook while it's open. Then make sure you use this little crochet hook, not this one, guys. Smaller one, that is. Then we are going to do it together, guys. That way. Make sure the crochet hook passes in between the lock strand. And guys, if your lock strands has got volume, that is thick a little bit, you might not face a lot of challenges. Unlike this one is a little bit smaller. That is that way, guys. Then you pull the hair length like that, you see. Then you realize that there might be some extension which has been left without being tucked in. Repeat the same process, guys, that way. After that point, then you pull it in once, that way, guys. Then you smoothen the lock, that way. If you want to make it a little bit tighter, you can use these lock strands, which these hands, that is the hands from the strand, to secure a little bit. If you have intervened with the texture, that is, guys, like that. And this our final result. You can have a look what the lock strand looks like, and you can as well have a look at the volume of the lock strand from the base towards the tips. Alright, guys, now we are through with the grafting. As you can see, we have already attached our fake locks on our natural hair, and this is how it looks like. You can have a look. You can see the parting. So now, guys, this is our growth. Instead of doing crochet to the veins, we are going to retwist the growth now using gel, and this is how to go about it. Just apply a little amount of gel in the scalp. Remember that the choice of gel will rhyme with will go as per your client's choice, depending on her skin and how the skin adapts to different products. And this is the way to go about it, guys. You can see I've done the first one. Alright guys, this is our final outcome. You can have a look at our temporary extensions on our natural hair, and we have done a retouch at the base. We haven't done the crochet method, that is I've used gel to do the retwist, and this is how our scalp looks like. Guys, you can have a look at the beautiful parting. It's quite interesting, and the sizing too. That's how it looks like. It's beautiful work, guys. It's amazing. Now guys, for more about the styling, kindly you can stay locked for my next video, because we are going to show a different style on the same. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video for the styling, and kindly like my work, comment and share.